It's an emotional decision to bring one of these animals into your home. Now, pet stores and breeders, when they're selling young animals, pre-pubescent, if you will, animals, of course they're lovely and they're nice and they're like kittens and puppies and babies. But after a while, they become like teenagers, and they become more unpredictable and more self-aware and more bird-like. I think one of the real problems is not only that people want these baby birds. That's part of it. Part of it is the way the birds are raised. Birds are taken from their parents when they're anywhere from being an egg to being 10 days old. They want to hand raise the babies from before their eyes are open. And as a result, you have these incredibly sophisticated and complicated animals who, like us, learn from their parents, learn from their siblings and peers, learn from their society. They're being raised by us. It's like taking a baby and having Martians raise it. They don't know what they are. And as a result, when their hardwired hormonal instincts and so forth kick in, they don't know what to do with it appropriately. Also, we're used to living with mammals, and when you have a mammal, whether it's a child or a cat or a dog, you pet it. And when you have a bird and you pet it, you are stimulating it sexually. And so that you have these birds who are now sexually bonded to their caregivers, and the whole thing is inappropriate. I mean, it's really, it's problematic for the animal because the animal doesn't know how to properly vent those drives, and very often become destructive, self-destructive, other destructive, aggressive, all of these problems. And that, to a very great extent, is why a lot of people give up their animals, is because they're dealing with exotic wildlife. They're not dealing with a domesticated animal, and they don't know how to do it.